Becoming wealthy and manifesting money isn't difficult. You just need to open your mind to it. Here, I will tell you how you can manifest money overnight. If you truly want to manifest money urgently, make sure to watch this video till the end, and don't be afraid. I will not sell you some online courses on how you can manifest money overnight that can cost you hundreds of dollars. And I will not sell you some crystals claiming that they will help you manifest millions of dollars overnight. But I will share some practical skills from Neville Goddard's teachings and the law of assumption. You can learn those techniques and practice them to manifest money. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos from our channel. Well, let's now get started without any further delays. The honest truth is that if you are willing to manifest money, you have to learn some practical skills and consistently train your mind. If you look at society, you will notice that the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. The reason why people who are born into a wealthy family or someone who built their fortune is usually financially rich beyond conception is that it feels natural to them. Let me repeat, it feels natural to them. They can be the most arrogant or the meanest people in the world, but being good or bad doesn't help you attract money. You manifest money based on your vision and thoughts. Money doesn't discriminate against you based on how good of a person you are. Money easily and effortlessly flows to people who believe with conviction that having a vast amount of money is normal and not a big deal. Ever noticed how some of the people who talk about how money does not make you happy or money does not buy happiness are the ones who actually have millions in the bank and sound like the biggest hypocrites? They are able to say such things because, in their eyes, being wealthy is normal, and they are thus not as concerned with our common worries about being unable to pay our bills. Now let's talk about trust fund kids. Even though their parents have placed money in some trust funds for them, the truth is that most of them will somehow or other find a way to support themselves financially. It's because they have a network of wealthy friends and family. Their minds are exposed to money, and they believe having a lot of wealth is normal, and that it doesn't take much to get money. Additionally, trust fund types have influence and status, and they can make use of them to attract money. When the mind is exposed to money, then money starts flowing. Let me tell you that if somebody believes $8,000 is a large amount of money, he will get a maximum of $8,000. But if a person believes having millions of dollars is normal, then he will get millions of dollars. We attract money based on our thoughts. The flow of money in your life is largely influenced by your mindset and thoughts. What about the people who believe that money is evil and a cause of dispute? Well, in their lives, money will cause disputes and put them in trouble. It is because they are manifesting the circumstances based on their beliefs. Their external reality is showing what they have inside their heads. Now, if those parents of trust fund kids cut off all the money, the kids will still be able to sustain and support themselves financially. It is because it is ingrained in their minds that they deserve wealth, and that having money and wealth is normal and effortless to have. Basically, their mind has the foundation and a big advantage over people when it comes to manifesting money. It's not just money that you manifest based on your thoughts. Everything that is happening around you or in your life is a manifestation of your thoughts. Let me tell you that your life is an endless product of your thoughts. You do the coding of all the incidents and happenings in your life in your mind. Your thoughts are inputs, and the life that you experience is an outcome of your thoughts. You know your life has different areas and aspects. Your relationships, your studies, your job, and your struggle for a job are all areas of your life. Your financial situation is another important aspect of your life. Some people perform well in one area of life, while others perform well in all areas of their lives. It depends on your belief system. If your thoughts are supportive and positive, you will keep on excelling and performing well in a particular area of life. So if now you have some negative thoughts about money, you will lose money. But if you have positive thoughts about money, it will attract itself into your life. Now let's talk about the people who went from rags to riches or from riches to rags. Well, such people could actually lose millions and billions in a single day. They can rebuild themselves without having any trouble. Besides just the mindset and the natural feeling of having an abundance of wealth, they have experience, wisdom, and the technical know-how of building wealth. Now the major question is, why do the poor stay poor? This is something most talked about in society, but the fact is that none could answer this question in the best way. What I believe is that the society we live in wants us to stay where we are, not necessarily poor. Living in this society, it becomes hard for us to break the pattern. If the ancestors of some people were poor, they will live in poverty, and the next generations will live in poverty. It becomes hard for them to elevate themselves financially due to many factors. In general, society prefers to keep things the same and discourages people from becoming enlightened. These folks are more difficult to manipulate and control. Order and control are the foundations of societies and nations. In general, wealth makes it simpler to attain enlightenment. You see, in the community where you live, there are some people who are consumers while others are producers. When you look at the society you live in, you will notice that only a fraction of people from the lower or middle class invest their time and money to grow their wealth. They spent most of their income on short-term entertainment, for example, the latest model of the iPhone or trendy clothes. A lot of people would be completely happy spending $1,000 on a big screen TV rather than a $1,000 course. The mentality of poor people is termed the crab and bucket mentality. Your friends, family, and social circle will feel threatened and insecure about your improvement, so it's pretty normal to have your closest friends and relatives say discouraging things and make negative remarks about your efforts to improve. If you only have $100 to your name, there is a lot of risk in how you will spend that money. You could buy the groceries for this week or use half of it to invest in your education. It's hard to plan and invest for the future when you are constantly worrying about putting food on the table. Poor people have a limited conception of having a vast amount of wealth. This is the basic reason why poor people stay poor. If you've never had a lot of money, it's hard for you to understand and conceive of the idea of wealth. You know that the law of assumption is based on the feeling of already having what you desire. So now, when you want to have a lot of wealth, you must have a mentality reflecting a lot of wealth in your life. You must feel naturally as if you have all the desired amount of money. But it is sure damn hard to feel it naturally when you are living paycheck to paycheck. This is why a lot of lottery winners go broke. Their minds are not accustomed to the natural feeling of having and sustaining wealth. Well, before I share with you some techniques to manifest money, I would like to explain to you how you can open your mind to a vast amount of money. I want you to learn sales. It is the most effective method to open your mind to money. Sales will basically teach you not just how to make money out of thin air, but it will also help you develop skills in managing a business, developing relationships, making friends, and much more. When you learn sales, you adopt the mentality of rich people. It makes you fearless as well. Think about calling a stranger to pitch a deal or a product. You will be made fun of and ignored, and occasionally you will win a client or a contract. Repeating something repeatedly helps you build a thick skin and increases the boundaries of what you believe you can and cannot achieve. Sales will certainly help you become bolder and more unapologetic about your ambitions and goals, particularly if you have been quite shy. Having this type of mindset will help you attract money into your life. You can also learn to be an entrepreneur, learn some skills, or teach some skills if you already have them. It will make you more confident, because it is crucial to have confidence if you truly want to attract money. The reason why I recommend you learn sales and entrepreneurship is that once you learn those skills, your mental conception of money will expand, and once you get a little taste of making money yourself without someone else paying you, it's a nice feeling and will help you manifest more money. It won't work though if you think you'll make more money. You must continually work on training your mind and brain to feel incredibly rich and to expect to be wealthy. The more you exercise your mind, the easier it will be to manifest money overnight. It's similar to building muscles. Now let me share with you the method to manifest money easily, quickly, and effortlessly. Imagine yourself in a situation where you have the amount of money you want. Just thinking about millions will seem unrealistic and unnatural. It must seem reasonable and natural to you. Someone making $100,000 per month will find it natural to boost his monthly income to $150,000 or $200,000 per month. If your current monthly income is $3,000, earning $4,000 in a short period of time would feel more natural to you. Before you go to sleep, when you are almost on the verge of falling asleep, replay your imagined scene in first person. Bring all of your senses into it to make it as real and vivid as you can. A repeatedly imagined act will become a fact, as Neville Goddard once said. Imagine having a few $1,000s in your hand, smelling it, rubbing them in your hands, and dreaming about the things you would buy with it. When you get a strong sense of satisfaction, as though you were holding the money in real life, bask in it and let it linger. Hold on to that sensation for a while, then allow yourself to fall asleep. Continue doing this until you hold money in your hands and your imagined scene truly materializes. This is the most effective method to manifest money. But if you want to manifest money and stay wealthy throughout your life, then you will have to open your mind to manifesting money and understand the concept of why the poor are getting poorer and the rich are getting richer. Manifesting money isn't difficult, but staying rich and building wealth requires you to have the mentality of rich people. Along with this technique, you can practice many other techniques, and they will help you manifest money whenever you need it. The law of assumption actually requires you to change your mindset, and you can do that by practicing visualization techniques and different other methods like the use of affirmations. Practicing multiple methods can largely enhance your capability to attract more money into your life. So guys, that's how you can manifest money in your life. If you have a supportive mindset that allows money to flow, then practicing this simple visualization technique will help you manifest money immediately. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment to let us know your thoughts. For more videos, you can subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video.